In this video, I will show you how to add Printify products to Shopify. To do this, first you will need to create both a Printify and Shopify account. I'll leave links to both of them down in the description, and with Printify you can just get started for free. There are no subscriptions or anything like that, and with Shopify you can get a 3-day free trial with no credit card required, and then get 3 months of Shopify for €1, dollar or pound per month, which is the best deal I've seen around. So if you want to claim it, you can do so through the link down in the description. So after having both of your accounts, make sure you have a tab open where you're signed into Printify as well as Shopify. Now first go to the store section in the top left of Printify and go to add a new store. Then select Shopify, and now here you will need to enter your URL. So go to Shopify and in the bottom left click settings, and there you will then find your URL. So go and copy it right there and go back to Printify and paste in the URL. Then click on connect, and then it will redirect you to Shopify, and from here just click on install, which means that now you will be installing the Printify app on your Shopify store, and then you will see this. Now from there you can then just go and sign into Printify or open the full site if you prefer to do that. Just make sure that you sign into your account right here. So then after you do that, you will see something like this. Now from here, in order to then actually import a product onto Shopify, you can just go to the catalog right here and then find whatever product you want to sell on Shopify. So once you select a product, it will say, let's create your first product. For example, I'll do a towel, let's say a cotton tea towel. And from there, you can then scroll down a bit and choose your supplier or provider. So I'll select this one since I want to sell in Europe. And you can see the production time is only 1.3 days, so it's very fast. So just go and click Start Designing. And then you can then upload your design. Just go and create whatever design you want. Select your colors and all of that. For this example, I'll just go and upload one of my thumbnails and then click Save Product. And then from there, you can choose to order a sample. Now from there, after you have created your product, what you can then do is just click on Start Publishing. And what you do need to make sure is that in the top left, it's set to your Shopify store. So make sure it says your store name right there. And then from here, you can then click on Publish, or of course, first you can also change the details. But once you now click on Publish, you will see that now the publishing is getting done. So now if I go to my Shopify store and head into my product section here, now the product is being uploaded, and if I preview it on my online store, it has not been fully imported yet, but once it's done, it will then also have the pictures, and it has the sizes, colors, etc. And now when I go and purchase this through my store, then it will also go on to Printify in the orders section right here, and Printify will do the order fulfillment. So that's how you can add Printify products to Shopify. Now again, if you want to get started with either Printify or Shopify, you can use the links given down in the description, and for Shopify you will get the 3-month trial. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.